Butterflies, with their vibrant colors and delicate wings, are among the most captivating creatures in the natural world. These enchanting insects have fascinated humans for centuries, not only for their beauty but also for the remarkable transformations they undergo throughout their life cycle. In this article, we will explore the intriguing world of butterflies, from their life stages to their ecological significance. Life cycle. The life cycle of a butterfly is a remarkable journey of metamorphosis, starting with the tiny, often overlooked egg. Female butterflies carefully select host plants to lay their eggs, ensuring a suitable environment for their offspring. From these eggs hatch caterpillars, voracious eaters that grow rapidly and undergo a series of molts, shedding their exoskeletons to accommodate their increasing size. The next stage is the pupa or chrysalis, a protective shell where the caterpillar undergoes a profound transformation known as metamorphosis. Inside this seemingly dormant structure, the caterpillar's tissues break down and reorganize into the complex body of an adult butterfly. Finally, the fully formed butterfly emerges, ready to embark on its short but brilliant life. Breathtaking diversity. The world of butterflies is incredibly diverse, with over 20,000 species identified worldwide. Each species boasts its unique color patterns, wing shapes, and behaviors, making them a rich subject of study for scientists and a joy to observe for nature enthusiasts. From the iconic monarch butterfly with its striking orange and black wings to the iridescent blue morpho that glides through the rainforests of Central and South America, butterflies showcase the beauty of biodiversity. Ecosystem services. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, butterflies play crucial roles in ecosystems as pollinators. While sipping nectar from flowers, butterflies inadvertently transfer pollen, facilitating the reproduction of flowering plants. This process is vital for the production of fruits and seeds, making butterflies indispensable contributors to the health of ecosystems. Butterflies, with their intricate life cycle, diverse species, and essential ecological roles, are truly one of nature's wonders. As we appreciate their beauty, let us also acknowledge the importance of preserving their habitats and supporting conservation initiatives. In doing so, we can ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the delicate dance of butterflies in our natural landscapes.